Let's look at running access review and recertifications in Securevize platform now. So far, we looked at onboarding users to Securevize platform. We also onboarded assets with clearly defined access to Securevize. Both these components are essential to running access reviews and recertifications, but we still don't know who has access to what in Securevize platform, right? Say in this example, we know that user Jane Martin exists. We know SAP BW exists as access in SAP application, but we don't know if Jane Martin has access to SAP BW or not, right? Unless we have the user access listing for SAP application in Securevize platform. Essentially, if we want to run access review and recertifications, we need all three details: user details, access details, and user access listings. So let's look at managing user access listings and then running access reviews and recertifications in Securevize now. Let's manage user access listings for a couple of applications, SAP and Oracle Cloud ERP in Securevize platform. Again, we'll be uploading and managing user access listings for assets through CSV files in Securevize platform until we have API connectors in place. So we see two assets here. Again, Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud ERP and SAP, and I uploaded some data before, and that's why you see this data. But let's override this data with what we are seeing here in these files. Again, SAP user access list and Oracle Cloud ERP user access list. Essentially, what you're seeing here is who has access to what in SAP application, right? The file layout is very straightforward. You see like the user ID to denote like which user has what access, right? You have user ID, access name, and then the account ID that person has within that asset, right? Those are the three elements, essential elements that you need in user access listing. And then user status and access status, these are two attributes that you can leave blank in the input file. We do some validations of the input data, and then we put the status on the user and access in those two fields. But for input, you can just leave them blank. So like this is what you're seeing there, and let's go upload the data. So let's start with Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud ERP. Okay, uploaded, and all the data got uploaded successfully with no errors, right? And then let's upload the SAP data. Okay, no errors here either. So essentially, we have two users, John Taylor and Jane Martin. So those are two accounts that you're seeing there. And then there are 6 records in each user access listing file. So that's what we are seeing there. 2 users have 6 access rights in these assets, in these applications. Okay, let's run an access review and recertification campaign. Actually, let's run 2 access review and recertification campaigns here. Say the power of Securevize platform is if there are 100 applications in a company or 100 assets in a company, 100 asset owners can be defined as administrators in Securevize, and each of those administrators can onboard their own asset and manage their own user access listing for that asset and run an access review campaign on their own, right? Without needing to burden a central IAM team. That's really the power. You don't need one team to manage access for 100 different applications or 100 different assets. So let's go run a campaign. Say for Oracle Cloud ERP, we are logged in as Alison Brown. Say, if an administrator wants to run a campaign for multiple apps, multiple assets, they can do that. But in this case, we are just running it for Oracle Cloud ERP for 1 quarter. Let's add the campaign name, and the start date for this campaign is today, and end date, let's end this campaign in 3 weeks. So the campaign duration is 3 weeks from today. Let's give a description for this. We are including Oracle Cloud ERP. So it will have 6 tasks, review tasks. Okay, the campaign is out there now. We can actually go see that the campaign is out there. So we do want to make sure, the campaign is created with all the right tasks and all before we make it active. So in this case, we have the campaign with 6 pending tasks. Let's go activate the campaign. Okay, now it's active. All these tasks will show up in the reviewer's dashboard when they log into the user access portal. Let's log in as Andy Jones, the access owner or the application owner of SAP. And let's run access review campaign for SAP. Third quarter of 2024. Start date is today, and end date is again 3 weeks from today. Okay, we want the campaign to send daily reminder notifications to reviewers with pending tasks. So that's what that is. And then let's create the campaign. So now you see two different campaigns, 2 campaigns there, one for Oracle Cloud ERP, another for SAP. And let's activate the SAP campaign as well. Okay, now these campaigns are out there. Okay, now we have 2 active campaigns. One for SAP and another for Oracle Cloud ERP. Each campaign has 6 items. If you look at the user access listings, 5 of them are for John Taylor, 1 is for Jane Martin in each of these user access listings, right? So each campaign has 5 items for John Taylor to be reviewed by his manager, Michael Smith, and 2 items or 1 item from each campaign is for Jane Martin to be reviewed by her manager, Mary Johnson. And then we also see 5 out of 6 in each campaign is high risk access. So it needs to go through a review by the access owner as well, in addition to the manager reviewing the access. So in case of Oracle, it's going to be Alison Brown. In case of SAP, it's going to be Andy Jones doing the reviews as access owner. So with that information, let's go to the user portal and log in as the manager. Let's first log in as Mary Johnson, Jane Martin's manager. It correctly shows 2 items as 2 items for review. Okay, approved those. Let's log in as Michael Smith, John Taylor's manager. There should be 10 items. Cool. 5 from Oracle, 5 from SAP, all for John Taylor. Let's approve these. Actually, one of the powerful features, another powerful feature that we added is really showing all the details about a review task, right? Here, this item, this task is from Oracle Cloud ERP campaign. It shows all the user details, all the access details. It shows the reviewer details as well. It shows who is reviewing, these items, right? As manager, as access owner, and all that. Okay, let's approve all 10 items. Okay, we approved them as managers for both these people. And Alison Brown, access owner for Cloud ERP, Oracle Cloud ERP, has 5 items. And again, we can see the details of each access review task by expanding. Okay, approved them. Let's log in as Andy Jones. 5 items, all for SAP items. SAP high risk access. Let's approve them as well. With that, we are done.